once again start with our class. We did the yesterday's work incomplete, so let us complete our work. What we did yesterday, we have created something like this letter A we was creating yesterday, right? See, this is quite good. You're able to see this? Okay, students. Students, be interactive. The class will be so productive for you if you all will be so interactive in the sessions. Okay, okay. So again, we are gonna take our cup and ice cream, this mixing stick. So yesterday, many of them was having a doubt, ma'am, how much quantity we should use for how much things we should take, how much quantity. Everyone was having that doubt. Okay, so let me clear you all how to measure our things first of all. Before starting our class, let us recapitulate with 3 days things so that it could be more productive classes for you all. Okay, what do you have learned in our previous classes? Previous 3 days sessions. We have learned types of resins, what are the two types that are coating and casting. We have studied and the types of colors, types of glitters. There were mica powder, opaque pigments, hexagon types of glitters, star glitters, and everything, and many more things. We have learned the ABCD of resin arts. We have learned the pigments, acrylic colors, leveling of the table, the ratio of the resin, how we should divide the ratio. Okay, safety precautions we have learned. We have learned how to share, how to how to use our art in a productive manner. So in this all 9 day remaining, how many days? 7 days, right? In our remaining 7 days, inshallah ta'ala, we will learn everything all about basics, everything about resin. We have learned removing the bubbles, how to remove the bubbles, the perfect mixing, the clean and perfect structure of the resin art. Okay, the measuring, uh, and the types of molds even we have learned in our previous classes. Okay, everyone. But we have more things to learn in our all other classes. Like, what are the professional molds that we are going to use? They are like a photo frame molds. This is just a small mold that is used for the cover lids of the glasses. But we have one more thing like a photo frame, clock frame. In this, we are having a bookmark. Bookmark is also used as a professionalism. Okay, we have lockets, we have chains, brush holders, flowers, bangles. Even we create the Rehal set with the resin. Alhamdulillah, raisins are so good to show your creativity in a perfect manner. These things we have learned in our classes. Okay, we have learned the types of resins. There are epoxy resins, casting, UV resin, polyester resin, and the styles of resin that are gorge art and ocean river tables, coaster and jewelry, fluid art paintings, and everything. We have removed all our color confusions even. So let us begin with the today's session. Alhamdulillah, we have done with many things in our 3 classes. This is our fourth class, fourth session. Firstly, what we will measure? We will measure the resin. After resin, we will take the hardener. So before starting, let me tell you one thing, how to measure how much the resin and hardener you are required for a single thing what you are making. Okay, how will you measure the things, students? Do anyone have any idea?
With a syringe.
No, no, no. Before
Measuring cup.
I'll tell you.
measuring cup,
Take a glass of water. Everyone, take a glass of water, a cup of water. Okay, even let me take it. I'll show you the tricky way that your रेसिन should not get spoiled. आपका रेसिन आपका हार्डनर जो होता है ना वो बर्बाद ना हो उस तरीके से हम लोग देखेंगे how to measure before adding a hardener or resin before combining it together. Okay, and this we are having a over here. That's the reason I'm not using this mold. I'm using another mold for this. I took a glass of water. See this. Okay, let us add it into H. Okay, I am adding this water into H. Everyone take your mold and add the water inside it. We have poured a water. Just take your syringe and pour it into the syringe, your full water. It should get sucked. See, I took the water inside this. Now I am going to measure the water. See, this is 5. This is 5 ml. H required 5 ml of resin and hardener combination. Okay, isn't it simple to calculate the thing? You can use it without wasting your resin. Okay, everyone. 5 ml. So, how much? Now, everyone tell me how much resin we will add to the 5 ml and how much hardener we will add it.
uh, 3 ml resin, and 2 ml hardener. Like
5 ml resin and 2 ml hardener.
Okay. Firstly, we will calculate it as we took it 5 ml water, right? Check if we are using this 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 ml of resin, 2 ml of hardener. So total combination we will get it as, sorry, 4 ml of resin and 1 ml of hardener. We'll remove this water. We'll take our measuring cup. Students, am I audible to you all? Okay, okay. Firstly, we will go with the resin. It is a 3:1 ratio. Someone was having a ratio 2:1. Have you created your thing, student?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Is your product ready?
Actually, I want to know, like, how do I get to know, like, it has completely dried up? Because I have done it late night, like after 12, like that. So, do I need to wait for complete 24 hours? The mold is like very small, the keychain one. The depth is very little, not too much.
Okay.
But
See,
when I try to like take it off, a little bit it is showing the wet thing
okay,
at
see.
this bottom.
I created this. The depth was so small for this. The depth is so small. That's the reason it had got dried up so faster. Still my A is not.
Is it for me?
Okay, just wait a while. Now is it clear?
No. Yeah, now it is clear.
Okay, I will.
I was not able to hear.
Yeah. See, the depth for this was so small.
Yeah.
I'll show you
Yes.
one more thing. What I created yesterday. See, the depth for this is quite, it is having a deep breath, right? This is having a small breath. Still, it is not dried up. This can move. See, this is
Okay.
breakable because it did not took the time to get dried up still. But this is not
Right.
breakable.
True.
So it takes a time. Okay.
Any trick to this to understand like if it is completed or not?
When you'll touch it from the above, okay, you'll feel like
Okay.
it is hard. Then you can remove that.
Okay. Okay.
If you're feeling like it is quite wet, then let it get dried up for more hours. And I have broken this S, right? But I've wasted this thing. No, don't think that you have wasted this thing. Again, you can recreate this thing. See, because it is having a sticky structure with it. See, okay. See, I am pasting this. Can you find any mark over here? No, it's just because it is in a molding structure still. It have not get dried up completely. So this is a good thing about the resin. This is a good thing about the art. You need to learn some things. Now we will start with our next thing. We'll take it. We'll take a resin. Oh my god. Shall we add the colors?
Yes, please. Ji.
Okay. Because everyone is so excited. Many of them are having many doubts. Means you are so interested to do
Alhamdulillah,
things.
it's done. Alhamdulillah. I made a star.
Okay.
I'll just show. I'll send a picture.
Are you sharing a photo on WhatsApp?
Yeah, in the group I'll send it.
Okay, sister. Okay, share it. See, I took a resin. Be careful and use gloves. Okay, Sister Rosma, I got your pic. Let me check out now only in the class. Mashallah, tabarakallah. It is so good.
Alhamdulillah. I'm excited. It turned
Okay.
out well.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
So now we are going to pour a raisin into the cup. After using, cover your caps, students. Even we need to yes do the yesterday's work complete as we did not coat the thing, right? Just look, 4 ml of raisin we have taken and 1.25 ml of hardener we are taking. Again, pour it into the raisin. Now mix it for 3 minutes. It's 5:19. Let us mix for 5:21.
Sister, I had a doubt.
Okay.
वो हार्डनर होता है ना, उसके like there will be two lids, right? पहला तो ऊपर का रहता, next the inner one will be very tight. So when I was taking it off, वो अंदर चला गया, तो like बाहर अभी तो नहीं आ रहा उसमें, तो will it affect that hardener?
No, no, no. It won't affect.
Because I tried a lot, it is not coming outside.
No, no. Sis, don't worry. It won't affect you.
Just I have to tighten the lid, that's it, right?
Yes. As
Okay.
it is a
देखो
winter, you
थोड़ा
need to cover it so perfectly.
okay.
So, sister, just tell me out. We should use our expired makeup products or we should use our colored first?
First we will start the colored one, inshallah.
Colors.
Yeah.
Okay. As I told you, we will be gonna take a mica powder first. The white color mica powder we are using. Okay. Firstly, we will start with the mild colors, nude shades, so that our product should not look so clumsy. Okay, everyone. We'll add a bit
Any
of
alternate for mica powder system?
mica
Any
powder
substitute?
alternative. No, students, mica powder is the best thing that you can use it for that. If he it gives a
Okay.
translucent effect.
Okay.
If you want to make the product like shimmery and all, then you can go with the liquid shades. See, I am taking a small amount of mica powder, just this much. I'm adding. Okay, that's it. After mixing, let us see how white shade it will
Excuse
be.
me, sister, which is mica powder?
This is a mica powder. It is like a it is like a shimmery powder, but it won't look like glittery form. Okay,
Non-glittery, देखो.
देखिए इसमें हल्की सी शाइन होती है लेकिन ये ग्लिटर जैसा इफेक्ट नहीं देता। ये एस जो मैंने अभी आप लोग को बताया है, मैंने इसमें माइका पाउडर यूज किया है। देखो ये हल्के से शाइन कर रहा है लेकिन ग्लिटर इसमें कहीं से नजर नहीं आ रहा है। राइट, दिस इज माइका पाउडर।
जी जी.
सो लेट अस मिक्स इट अगेन स्लो with a slow and mild hand in a perfect manner. Are you all able to hear me, sisters?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
What about the quantity? Like, is there anything specific or just the estimate only?
No,
Approximate.
it is like 3:1 ratio only.
No, that mica powder.
You can take it just random, small amount. See,
Okay.
I have taken the small amount of quantity. See how beautiful shade it is giving.
Okay, it comes in various shades.
Yeah, see, I have pink color
Okay, okay.
and even a golden color. Mix it slow, slow, slow for 2 to 3 minutes. Perfectly blend this. As we every time blend our foundation on our faces with a slow touch. Mix it till you find the liquid to be all in a glass like perfect thing. You should not find a bubbles inside that. Don't mix in a harder form so that it should create a bubbles even if it don't have.
And that happened with me yesterday.
Yeah, as yesterday only I told you
I
don't mix
learned.
it so harder.
Yes, yes. जी,
We'll learn from the mistakes, don't worry.
जी, इंशाल्लाह.
So now we are going to pour it into our edge. See, my complete raisin got an edge because before pouring I measured it. Right, we have measured it with the water. That's the reason our raisin did not got wasted. That is a beautiful trick. That is a perfect trick that we should use before mixing our raisin into a hardener. Okay. Now let us leave it for 24 hours. We have to complete our yesterday's work, so we shall be going for that now. If we are taking a 1 ml of raisin, then how much ml of hardener we are going to take, sisters? Just tell me out. Everyone, write in the comment section or tell me.
1 ml of resin.
Yes. Then how much ml of hardener?
No, 0.3 if it is 3:1. 0.33.
0.
33, right?
Yeah, it should be like
0.5.
0.5.
0.5 will it be?
Yes, it will be like 0.5. Now let us pour it into our cup. Then it's 0.5 ml of water.
That will be for 2:1, right?
No, no. If you are taking 1, get 0.75,
Okay.
0.50, then 0.25. So 0.25 will be near to 0 only. You should take this much, just this much. So we need to calculate the ratio like this. In tomorrow's class or after some days, even I'll show you the weight machine. It is quite difficult to calculate on weight machine. It is very easy to do it from syringe. But if you all want to see that weight machine, inshallah ta'ala, I'll show you all. Do you all want to test it once?
जी, इंशाल्लाह.
Inshallah. Okay, we'll do it in our other classes, 5th day or 6th day. Mix it with light hands. Now let us pour it on A. Yesterday what we have created. So now what I am doing, I am coating the thing. Okay. Yesterday we have cast the thing, now we are coating the thing. And never take your molds in a heat kind of a things. Like never take it near the fires.
If I don't have mica powder, like, can I use pigment? Right now, I don't have that.
Okay, use it, but use it in a very small quantity so that the production not look so clumsy.
Okay, the mixing and all procedure will be the same, right?
Yes, it will be the same. Have you all got how to measure the thing? How to recheck the thing, that how we have firstly measured it with the water, then we have added the resin.
Yes, yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Ji, alhamdulillah.
Do anyone have a doubt?
Sister, can you again tell the measurements for this alphabet, ma'am?
Okay, firstly take the water. Okay, pour it as I'm pouring it into the sea now. Okay, take it into the syringe. The C measurement, what I got it is 5. Okay, now with this measurement, you need to check your hardener and resin. If you are taking the hardener to be 3, as our hardener and resin is 3:1 ratio. Okay, if you are taking it 3, then 2 ml of hardener we are gonna add to that. Like that, you need to measure the things. Have you got it?
Like it's 3:2.
Yes?
3 ml resin and 2 ml hardener, right?
Yes.
It will be one, right? 3:1 means
3
if
is
3
to 1.
ml of
Sorry,
resin is
student.
there
It
and
will
1
be
ml of
4
hardener.
ml of resin and just 1
Oh,
ml of hardener. Because it is 3:1 ratio, not 2:1.
will it make any difference if we like go won't maintain the ratio?
Yeah,
गड़बड़ हो जाएगी शायद.
yeah. Your product won't get
Okay.
dried up.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing, sister, if it gets fallen like side में अगर थोड़ा extra आ गया तो like cleaning का मतलब it will be very sticky. I have seen just
After
in
drying it
case the
completely, you can use the filer to
okay.
shape that.
Okay, so when it is wet, we should not touch it, right? Better.
Yeah. Better you should not touch it for at least 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay, students. So let us meet tomorrow with a new creativity, inshallah ta'ala. Was it today's class so productive for you all?
Yes, sister.
Alhamdulillah. जी.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Inshallah ta'ala, in the next class, we are going to meet with a new creativity. Okay, thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam, sister.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Walaikum
वरहमतुल्लाहि
Salam.
वबरकातुहू.